These are some of the things we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
We're also doing something that we don't think has ever been done before. We're releasing a series of videos bringing you inside of the factories that make some of the components for the Spry, and also show you the working conditions of these factories, and also learn how LiPo batteries are made, propellers are made, and how the whole manufacturing process works.
We've spent years in the design stage to push the limits and redefine the capabilities of drones in general. The only thing that's missing to make the Spry a reality at an affordable price is you. By supporting this project, you will be the first one to get your hands on the very first Spry. Check out the different reward levels and help the project go viral by sharing it with all your friends.
will maintain its position even in high winds up to 12 meters per second. The new Smart Cruise mode enables the capturing of smoother footage. And all the usual smart flight modes such as Follow Me and Mission Planning are still available. With our new quick release system, switching between modules is fast and easy. You can now change from a search and rescue configuration to a 4K aerial shooting platform in a few seconds. The Splash Drone 3 provides you maximum flexibility in the most compact form factor. The new remote control with built-in FPV monitor is all you need to fly and capture your footage. It has a better range with a choice from 40 channels to select from, ensuring smooth and reliable video feed in all situations. The Splash Drone 3 is much more than an all-weather 4K video and photography platform. Thanks to its wide range of modules, it can be used for a wide variety of applications, including 3D mapping, surveying, agriculture, firefighting, wildlife observation, search and rescue, and much more. The Splash Drone 3 is the ultimate modular flying platform. Whatever the mission, whatever the environment, the Splash Drone 3 is your solution.
boy. Bảo là nó mãi không? Chỉ biết nó cười.